what is important for you, you have important what are the what is the steps in eddy current testing. So for the eddy current testing, the surface preparations to clean the surface, to remove the dirt, paint, oil or coatings. Ensure the testing the consistent probe contact with the material. If they are not having the proper contact, then it will not generate the eddy current. That's why we must having the consistent probe contact with the material. Second one is the probe selection and calibrations. Choose the correct probe frequencies, the high frequency for the surface defects, low frequency for deeper flows. Okay, calibrate using the reference standard with the known defects. Okay, we must have to calibrate first with the to the probe with the standard known defects so that we can have idea. Third one is the scanning the test material. They move the probe across the surface in a controlled manner. They monitor the eddy current signal responsive on a screen. We must having moving like we have just like a probe here. Okay, and we have just material like this, and we will moving here, and there, all that. And after that, I mean, it is having the current, and for that we have we would be having magnetic field, and due to magnetic field, this material will having eddy current, and how they are responsive, how they are responsive on the detector we can see, and if they are having any defect, then it will having not that much responsive, and for that we can see over the screen. Okay, as detectors. So we must have to move the probe over all the surfaces. Okay. So for one is the signal analysis and interpretation. A uniform signal detector indicates no defects. If you have a uniform signal, it means there is no defect. Okay, but if there is defect, the signal would be not uniform. And wherever there's discontinuity or there's differences, it means at that particular part you were having a defect. The distorted signals indicates the change in the conductivity due to the defect or the material variations. Documentation and reporting: record the defect size, location and depth, compare with the industry standard. These are all the standards. Okay, we must have to compare that so that we can compare whether our product is uh, uh, you know able to go into the market or not. We can decide over that, right? If they are having the not meeting that standard, then we can do some corrections over the defect, and then we can make a product usable. Okay, after uh, providing the corrective measures or actions.